one, isn't it?
Oh, it's lovely.
Yeah.
It's all right, doesn't it?
Yeah.
You feel the smell of the seaside?
Yeah.
Chips, mussels and chips.
Yeah, I can hear the seagulls.
You can. Well, it keeps us out the pub, you know.
It
That's
does,
the
I'm
main
sure.
thing.
Keeps you out of mischief. No, it's nice. Nice, it's different. It's nice.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think all of our group, we started doing British when we got a bit fed up with it, to be honest. So,
Yeah.
We then
Yes.
realised.
Like olden days.
Olden days. Oh, I see. Oh, okay.
60s.
Yeah, yeah. I remember them. We got here. Oh no, sorry. We've moved you. We've put you somewhere else. So, as they often do. I'm afraid that's all the passenger train does, is goes in and out of the station.